Oh, there he is, Jason. Jason, you watched that first box. You did pretty damn well in that first box. Let's see how you do on box number 2, buddy. Hopefully that's enough. Stroud color is what he's asking for. Let's repeat that, he says. This looks like this is the end of our night. Whenever Jason is done ripping. It doesn't look like our other break is going to be paid in time before we got to get out of here. That's all right. We'll start that NBA mixer off on a good note tomorrow. All right, let's start it out with a Brian Breezy. Jackson Smith in the Jigba. We got a Geno Smith yellow to 75. Dalton Kincaid. Ooh, out of 199 RPA, Jake Haener. It's not Stroud, but it is a Haener. Okay, that's not a good thing. DK.
No, it's not.
Nick Chubb. I don't know why I gave you the Haener. Christian Gonzalez, pink. We got a Christian Kirk blue. Eli Manning, maroon. Jahmyr Gibbs. Ooh, another Zay Flowers hit for you. You got the RBA version this time.
That's dope.
He was the one that hit the Zay Flowers auto to 35.
Okay.
Auto 150, Joey B. Fire Fabrics. Jerry Jeudy. Josh Jacobs, pink. And there's going to be no Stroud in here for you. More Zay, though.
2 RPAs in one box, though?
Yeah, 2 RPAs. You got a quarterback in there. A top rookie receiver. What's Jason thinking? Do you need that recap?
Flowers is dope.
Yeah, put that in that base box. Oh, been a long night.
Super long night.
Have a good night, he says. All right, let's do a recap. There's another Zay Flowers, Jake Haener, Joe B, Jacobs, Jerry Jeudy, Jahmyr Gibbs, Eli, Christian Kirk, Christian Gonzalez, Nick Chubb, Geno Smith, Dalton Kincaid, and Brian Breezy. Thanks, Jason, as always. Appreciate it. I got a note on your sticky note to ship to your new address on there, so we should be good. Thanks, Jason. Have a good night. Everyone, have a good night as well. Appreciate you all. I'll be back tomorrow afternoon. I'll come in early. I think I'm going to come in early to rip that NBA mixer. All right. Thanks, guys.